Hey everyone, I am back. I wanted to give you just a little sneak peek at my cat journal that I am working on. It's in progress and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and this is a journal that I obviously made for myself, and I've just been adding bits and pieces as we go along. I should have filmed it, I know, bad me, but it's just probably one of my favorite journals. And this was fabric covered. I think it's got 2 signatures. This one's got 2 signatures, and it's basically just a mixture of book page pockets, maps, old children's books, cutouts from magazines and books, coffee dyed paper, just things I've made and wanted to put in it, and things that you know, things that I like. So let me just give you a flip through and show you some of the things that I have done in here. So we just have some fabric pockets here. This was from Etsy, but I can't remember who I got this from. Just book page pockets, some lovely trim. And then this is an old map, and the reason I put this in here was because I originally was from Bedford. So I'm trying to put things in here from, you know, my life, and, you know, things I find, things I think, oh, that would be great for my journal. Obviously, I have a cat theme because this is my cat journal, as well as other things, and these were some stickers that I found. And then this is, I think, Mrs. Tiddles, Beatrix Potter, Mrs. Tiddles, and some Tim Holtz. I think that's washi tape. And then I made a pull-out little tag, journal spot, more of them. I'm sure it's Mrs. Tiddles. Or is it Tom Kitten? Tom Kitten, isn't it? Sorry, it's Tom Kitten. Beatrix Potter, I'm sure that's right. But I saw it and I thought, oh, I'm going to make some pages. So I've made a pocket with one of the book pages, and I used another book page for a pull-out. And this is a tag that I made with a paper pad paper, and I just loved it. So I'm going to slot that in there. And then this is another little bit of book it's Tom Kitten, look, duh. And it's just, I've used this as a tuck spot. I'm going to use that as a tuck spot. This was another cat book, so I turned that. Just look at that, it's so cute. But I'm just trying to show you ways that you can quite easily make your own. Now, even if you couldn't make journals, but you had an old notebook or a smash book or something, excuse me, you can still make these pockets from old book pages or things that you've kept. This is just basically glued on. It's got some lace trim and a heart, lace heart. And then this is one of my collage pages, which I just liked, so I've used that as a journal spot in there. Some old music paper, look, there's a little cat peeking out of there, and this literally is just a cutout cat from an old cat book on some coffee dyed ledger paper. This is Enid Blyton, and I loved Enid Blyton as a kid. And this is Tiddles, the cat there, and it's an old Enid Blyton book, and I just thought it was so cute. Then this is one of my pockets that I've made and turned into a tuck spot pocket, and that's just using a Project Life card, some just patterned card, DSP, and just some scraps and a word there. Now that has got creased up there, but never mind. And then some more pages from that cat book, and it says kittens are angels with whiskers, and I made that into a pocket. And then we've just got like a little flip out here with the little pussycat, look. I just love it, love it, love it. Got some writing space with a flip out, another one of those cat stickers. I mean, this is a work in progress, it really is. I mean, not all of the pages mean something. This was an image from a really old book, I think 1926, and I just loved, it's very romantic, I'm quite romantic, and I just stuck that like you would in a glue book. I just stuck that down on one of the book pages, and there was a little bit in it, he loves me not. So I just thought that'd be fun to put on there. This is another old book page. I just loved it. Put a bit of washi tape. More washi tape here. Just some coloured vellum. More old maps. That's the centre of one of the signatures. This is one of my collage pieces, but I've just turned it into a little booklet, and it's Black Beauty, and that reminds me of my childhood. It used to be on the TV on a Sunday, so I just thought that that was really cute. So I've just put that on there for now. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Another one of the cats cut out from a book. This I just loved. It was from a kid's book, and there was just another cat, and I've just turned that into a little hidey hole there. And then this was a game of Hangman that I did with Charmin on the 21st of December, and it was Honeymoon. Bless. Because yes, I haven't told anyone yet. We have set a date. Oh my God, I've gone and blown it now, and I was going to wait for another video to tell you all. But yes, we have set a date, and we are getting married in June. I can't wait. It's my hen do next weekend. So excited. Oh, I was wanting to tell you in another video. I've gone and blown it now, haven't I? Never mind. So much to look forward to. So yes, we did that, and so I've kept that as a little writing spot. And then this is a little cute envelope that I made, and it's just got "Believe You Can," and you're halfway there. And that's just a little tuck spot there. Another little tuck spot there. Excuse me. Another one of those tags with this lovely, I love this paper pad. It was gorgeous. And then another cat there. Oh, I don't know if you can see if I'm in shot. Haven't done an awful lot, I don't think, in further back here. Just a look up a little cat paw, look. And that was just a cut out from a cat book. Some music paper. That's another, so I've got to do work back here. I've not done an awful lot of things back here. It was mostly in the front. The only thing I have done now, you know, you can get gift cards in supermarkets. Well, Asda had some gift cards, and they had little cats on. So I just took one and I used it as a pocket. Look, this is one of those gift card holders that if you get, when you're at the checkout, you'll see them in front of you. And it had a cat on, and I just thought, oh, it was so cute to make into a pocket. And I've just added some pom-pom trim. And this was an old Ladybird book, which reminded me of my childhood. And I've just turned that into just a tag there, and just pop that in there. I think that is all I have done here. I think. Oh, I do have. This is that Ladybird book, and I made it into a booklet with some pullouts from More Bird books. And I just thought this was so colourful and beautiful. You know, I do like birds, but look how beautiful this Ladybird book was. This Ladybird book was gone by the time I had it. I just got it and made, and look, I've also made some of these die cut sort of like tuck spots here. Love this. There's these dies. Just cut one out and just distress it, put it on card, and then you've got an instant tuck spot. I've got some pockets put back here, but I think, oh, there's another book page, little booklet I made with this bird book. I mean, look how beautiful these are. I made some little journal cards. I just thought cats and birds kind of go together, sort of. So that's all I've done. That's my journal so far. Now, if you watched my earlier videos, you would have seen that I made these banner tuck spots. So I've got 2 of those to go in. Plus, my lovely Jan sent me some cat things. So I'm not going to put these in now because I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put them or what I'm going to do with them just yet. But I'm building up my little cat collection. So I have these 2. So I want to find somewhere to put these little tuck spots, but I want, let's have a look. This is quite a sturdy page, this one, so maybe we could glue it on up here, and then we've got a tuck spot there that needs to be glued down. So before I do that, let me just, and I'm just showing you what you can do with these tuck spots that you make. So I'm just going to glue these down because I've kind of come apart a little bit, but that's where I didn't stick it down properly in the first place. So I'm just going to stick that down. Oops. Bring my book back in. And this is what I do every you know, every so often. I will go to my little box and see, oh my gosh, have I got any more little bits that I want to add to my journal. And as I made these cat things this morning, I thought I might as well show you all my work in progress journal and then add some more. So I'm just going to add some Fabri-Tac just on the top piece of this, and then we can use this as a tuck spot. So I'm just going to put this along there. Oops, I'm going to put my lid on my Fabri-Tac because I know what will happen. It'll just come oozing out, and we're just going to stick that now. Obviously, if I'd have had these made before when I was putting my book together, I might have sewn that, but the Fabri-Tac will hold that just fine. And then you've got a lovely like tuck spot there for things. We've got another cat tuck spot there, and let's see if we can put one in. Oh, that might be good just there. No, I think we want, oh, that would work, wouldn't it? Because that's quite, what I might do is I might stencil this page first and then put that on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave that in the book there for now, so that I'll know when I get my stencils out to do that. And I might even I have got some other bits and pieces that I want to add. So that's all I'm going to do today, because I don't want to make this video too long. Let me just see what these would look like if I can put one of these in. Oh my goodness me, I'm throwing things everywhere. Now these were so cute. My friend Jan sent me these. She got them from Thailand. And look, they've got little writing spaces in them where you could put a little something that the cat's saying. So I need to find a really cool word or something to put in there. Now, see, that would have been cute. But maybe... find a page to put this on. That might be quite cute if I put it. No, I'm not feeling it there. Let's have a look. The only thing is getting into it. Oh, look at the little cat on the back there. Now, what I can't, what I put it on the top? Oh, see, I think that looks quite cute on the top of a page. And then maybe I could put a nice clip, not on that one though. Let's find... Ah, there you go. And then what I could do again is stencil on here. So let me see if I can find some paper clips. Oh, I've got one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that on with a paper clip for now. And then when I get my stencils out, I'm going to get some of my flower stencils out later on in the week. I can come in and stencil some of these pages. Look, it looks so cute. So that is my cat journal. I'm still working on it, and I have lots of little bits that I do want to put in it. but I just wanted to show you it. I just love it. It is just gorgeous. Love it. Look at all these cats. Just too adorable for words. So I hope you've enjoyed this show and tell. I will be showing you more of this at a later date when I've got more that I can put in it and I have more ideas. Okay, so right, I'm going to go off and have my tea now because it's tea time and my tummy's grumbling. I know, terrible, huh? Supposed to be thinning down for the wedding. Oh, it's not happening. Chanel, what you like. Right, everyone, I am going. Love you all lots and lots and lots, and speak to you very soon. Bye-bye.